Kublai epi barong ipidian sabai pi chani katup kubor jangi imenta kejan mit. Syabangin pai shi kubor babanya inya pet syuai kimat bakongsan. Yakran Menteri Rangba Dokeri Narendra Modi bagi Menteri Rangba jong ki jela beper lembaga video conferencing bandrai halor kilat kilenti banyele persya yau kenyang jingpang COVID-19. Endang yat beteng ya kajing kang Shillong hendai enpelat tangi kito katni teli ki jatkam ki bakongsan hakayo kakod. Inya keren Presiden kaseng National People's Party Konrad Sangma bat kinong yalam kaseng BJP hakabayadey bat kajing slot ya kajing bajong unong yalam kaseng NPP ha Manipur. Bat kintu Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya kinong Shillong Kejela banya snok tilang hakajing duai hakapon riu bejejan mit hakasi rakhir ka Easter Sunday apadeng kani kajing jo kajing ling shop kajing pang COVID-19. Ki kubor ki babanya Menteri Rangba Dokeri Narendra Modi ula penlong ke jinyalang bagi Menteri Rangba ki jela beper lembaga video conference banlai halor ki senjam ba ensyam nang ni syakmat kumno banyada ba yele persya ya ke jingpang COVID-19. Hashwa jong ke jinyalang principal secretary Sya Menteri Rangba Dokeri ula penlong jinyalang ba ke kenhun ba hakli do ka babishar ke jinglong jingman hakari. Ya kani ke jinyalang la penlong hanong ba keri ha New Delhi. Menteri Rangba Dokeri ula penlong ru ia ke jingikren bat kinong yalam ki sengsan hima beper bat ekatu kat ni ki kenhon ki batre ki kam ban yada nakani ke jingpang COVID-19 ban pani ke jingmut naki kumno ban tekla kam yakani ke jingpang. Hadian Marsindep Bansyang jinyalang lembaga video conference bat Menteri Rangba Dokeri Narendra Modi bagi Menteri Rangba jong ki jela beper ringkal bagi hek sarkar jong ketenat kekot kekia. Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad K. Sangma habakren bakilat pathai kubor ula ong bakumba kendai nakashispa ki Menteri Rangba jong ki jela beper kila ajing mud badai bandang beteng ya kajing kang Shillong. Kabamut badai ban perking ya ka let kawan bat banduan ki kindon ban penya ya ka jingpen poy ki mar ki mata hendrai ha ka joka por ula ka daw badon katu kat ni ki kam ki bayadai ban yo ya ka yo ka kod kila ban sedang no kamtam ban sedang no ya ki kam belas ngi namar ka kta shibon ya ka yo ka kod jong uduk usok ula pentebru ba en pelat ya ka jinglet jingwan na ka wei ka district sya ka wei pad hendrai an sya pad bandan kanu ka jinglet jingwan na ka wei ka jela sya ka wei pad.
The chief ministers participated. They were asked individually to speak. About 15 or 16 chief ministers were asked to speak, and more or less 99% of them have suggested that the lockdown should continue, which would mean mainly that there should be a sense of, that movements will not take place, and the overall lockdown process will continue. But I think it looks like it is going to go in that line where we will see some kind of an extension of the lockdown period, but it will be slightly more relaxed for certain sectors which are very critical for the poor. And those are very much, as I said, in line with what we had also suggested. And I hope that that's the line that we'll follow. And as a government, of course, of Meghalaya government, our stand also has been very similar, that there should not be any movement. There should be complete restriction of movement from people who are outside the state right now. So interstate movement should be completely stopped. But certain areas where farming and MGNREGA and small constructions are concerned, there could be some relaxation with very strict social distancing guidelines to be implemented.
National President kaseng National People's Party ne NPP ubalang ru Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Sangma mentagus ngi ula ong ba ka jingsha slot no ya ka jingbat kam jong unong yalam kaseng NPP ubalang ru sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela Manipur kalong ka bakta bah bat kaseng kala shim ya ka senjam banyak keren bat kinong yalam kaseng BJP banyak penbet ya kani kakam. Habakren bakilat pathai kubor mentagus ngi National President kaseng NPP ulaong balayo banyak keren ba Menteri Rangba Kejela Manipur UN Biren Singh bat baro ki Menteri jong kaseng NPP. Ula benrab da kabaong ba ki jingetre lang bat kinong yalam kaseng BJP banyak benbet ya kani kajing Habajubab ya ka jingkali hatu ka NPP kan wengno ya ka jingkershan jongka ya ka BJP usang mau laong bakani ka long ka wei na kijing bat ka senghi barok ka wei kala shim kiabha ya ka bayadei bat kani ka phang. Ulaong ba unsa ya keren ya kani ka kam bat kinong ya lam ka seng BJP bat un persyang banya penbet ya kini kijing
I've been in touch with the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur and of course all the ministers from the NPP out there, and we have been discussing about this issue, and I have taken up the matter with Mr. Biren Singh. There has been some issue that has come up. We are working along with the BJP leadership to resolve those issues. I hope we'll be able to resolve it at the earliest. I have not got a chance to go and meet everybody on the phone. These kind of issues are very complicated to discuss because there are many factors, but of course it's a very serious issue, and of course from the party side we have taken a very serious stand and notice of this. But we'll be taking up the matter with the leadership of the BJP, and we'll work on resolving these issues and differences.
Umpadon ka jing sa priang jong kanyang jingpang hakibriyo na hasnong hapo kari kumta kibriyo kimpat day ban kuslaitan. Henry ki day pat banlong ki ba pikir laong ujoin secretary katanat kakwat kakya ka Sarkar Padeng UE Agarwal. Habakran Shakilat Patay Kubora New Delhi Agarwal laong balade bantes hado kanriyo hajar ngut kibriyo bat nakini tang kumba nakashispa ki yo ya kani ka jingpang bat kat kumkini ki jing yo jinglum jingtep laong ba ka jingshakta nakani ka jingpang kampat dajurtan. Kapertay kadon hapideng ka jingyele ka bashirkay banyada na ka jing sapriang kanyang jingpang COVID-19. Kaladon ka jingting ba ka jing kuslay. Kadba ki riunget Kristan hakeleng ka pertay ki rakhi ka Easter Sunday ka balong ka sngi jong ka jimi pad ukres Jisu. Ka jela Megalia kalawan siya kamat pensngawi ka ri ba ka pertay hi barok away da ki jingra ya ro ka balatip kum ka Megalia pre. Ka balong ka jingsdang jong umentri rangba ka jela ukandrat ki sangma. Ukanrat ke sang mau lakin tui ki nongshong shnong ke jela ba ikathan shte la mingi hi barok away banya snok ti lang ringkat ban rakhi ka Easter Sunday kata ha ka khat artarik mentau banai ha ka por riu baje ha ringkat ke jingdwai na la ki yeng ki sem bat thange ki membati bat penlong ru e ka jingwa ya ro ya kini ki jingwa ya ro la ban sham ha ka Facebook page jong umentri rangba ba ki we ki social media.
As a state and as a country and as a world, the situation that we are facing because of the COVID-19 virus that is there, the ailment. And basically, if you look at how things have gone in the past, we have really been blessed. And also we're looking at a situation where we really need, the guidance and the strength from above. And that is the reason why we felt that Holy Week would be an appropriate week, and and Easter Sunday would be a great day where I think people of the state could all come together, and in fact people from throughout the country and throughout the world could come together and really thank God for all his blessings and look to him for strength so that we can really face the situation that we are facing right now. And I would urge all the citizens of the state and the region to come and join us on Easter Sunday at 6 p.m. to be part of this prayer hymn that we're going to have. We will be coming online, so there will be different pages like my own Facebook page that will be there. We will be live on that. I would urge our people to log on and be part of that. And while the hymn is going on, these are very normal hymns that we all know, the traditional hymns that are there. And we would urge all of you to sing along and if possible even light a candle during that during the hymn prayer that we'll have, and I think that would really bring out more meaning into this entire process.
Kadba kari kadang yele banrat dingkong ya ka jing sapriang uknyang jingpang coronavirus ba kipat ba kiele kadbala ban pentrei ka me ka social distancing lane ban penye jingai iwei na iwei pan haba ki let ban thie jing thie na ki dukan kinong pen poi mar hayeng breu kilong ki benta ki ba kongsan na ka benta ka sarkar ba ban penlong ki nong shong shnong ka jela hi barok away ban shong khop hayeng da ka ba pen poi ki mar ha ki jingkhang ki jongki kum hakani kapor. Day na kajing treshi tom jong kini kinong penpoy mar hayeng kala penlong ya kani kajing kang kabasay so. Ka DD News kala iyo lad manyakren bat uway na kini kinong penpoy mar hakerdop yeng bat nginya ped ya ka kabaudan panong.
We put up the application just before the lockdown in the anticipation of all this. Well, acquiring, that's something the government had sorted out. We had two types of bazaar that we had to go and procure most of the items and all. One is the Yodo, the other one is Paltan Bazaar.
In this time of crisis, it is the delivery executive who have been putting hope by delivering essential goods at the time needed. With video journalist Abdul Jirwa, Avinash Pradhan, DD News Shillong.
Barok away kari kadan hapideng ka jingkang tedam banlat na ka jing sapriang kanyang jingpang coronavirus. Hakum kani kapor kabasyam jinjar kisipai border security force ki badan ha Meghalaya kila penlong ka jing sa ki mardon kam sya kito ki basyam jinjar. Kini kisipai kila penlong ru ki jing ai jing ikai banyada nau niu kanyang jingpang aki jaka nong kendong ki badan hapo ka jela. Lasam ru ki jing da khmod bat shintur bat hikai ru ba kumno kin pendan kam yaki. Lapentray kam daka social distancing habang sam yakini ki mardon kam ban batay ruye ka jingdon kam jong social distancing. Kini ki sipay kilakin tu ki nong syong shnong baki day ban bad ki kindon ki ba ka sarkar kalapin mi. Shuaban pinkod ni nepet yang sa shisi ni kimat bakongsan. Yakran Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi bagi Menteri Rang Badu yang kijala berper lembaga video conferencing bandrai halor kilat kilinti banyile persya uknya jimpang COVID-19. Endang iat beteng ya kijing kang shnong Henry en pelat tang ikikatu kat ni kijat kam ki bakongsan hakayo kakon. Inyakran Presiden Kaseng National People's Party Konrad Sangma bagi nong yalam Kaseng BJP hakabayade bak kajing slot ya kajing bat jong unong yalam Kaseng NPP Hamanipur. Bat kintu Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya ki nong syong shnong kejela banyak snok tilang ya kajing duai hakapon riu baje janmit hakasi rakhi ka Easter Sunday apedeng kani kajing jong kajing ling shop kajing pang COVID-19. Te parlo ka tungila po siya bakod jang katuk kubo jang imenta ka janmit hadu manesyam biyang yapi ila syai kasi hakaju kapor kuplay pi baro.